Hey everyone, it's Frank. What's Mama cooking tonight? We got some spare ribs. We got some potato salad, homemade macaroni salad, and potato salad. Oh boy, this is all good. Look at this. This is nice, huh? Mmm. I love these ribs. Oh boy. Yeah. Mmm. 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 That's good stuff. Mmm. Macaroni and potato salad, homemade. Oh, baby. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. That's good stuff. Mm. So if you like that, subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you another one, my friends. You all have a good night. Stay safe. Mm. That's good. We'll see you later, my friends. Have a good night.